Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kiana, if you guys don't know who I am, and today I'll be doing an updated makeup tutorial. A lot of people ask me all the time, like, Kiana, show me what you do for your makeup. So that's what I'm going to do today, period. Okay guys, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because I'm young and turned, and if you subscribe you can be young and turned too. Okay, so let's just get straight into the video because why waste time? Okay, why waste time?
My diamonds out for me, they say, how can I meet you?
So I started doing makeup. I'm gonna tell you guys like how I started doing makeup and stuff like that, like when I started, all that extra stuff background. Okay, so I started doing makeup when I was in 11th grade. During COVID is when I really took an interest to it, and I, like, you know, was just home every day, so it's kind of just like, why not do my makeup? Like, I have nothing else to do. So yeah, I really just started like doing makeup on myself, and then I started doing makeup on my sister. I really wanted to get my content on. Like, I've literally been playing with myself and starting my content for such a long time now, and I don't want to play anymore. So I need to just start it like right now. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, so we are going to start off with priming your face. You always want to make sure you prime your face, because when you don't prime your face, your makeup does not last as long. Like, I'm literally telling you guys, your makeup will not last if you don't prime your face. Okay, I don't care what you do with your makeup. I don't care. Prime your face. Why would you not want your makeup to last? Okay, so this is what I use to prime my face. I use the Pond's. It's a little you know, dirty, sorry about that. It stays in my makeup kit, but I just put some of that on the Pond's because sorry, I lost my train of thought. I like to use the Pond's cream because, one, it helps with wrinkles and it tightens your skin over time, and two, it helps with both dry and oily skin. So when I did start doing makeup, I started like doing it on others because I wanted to be a makeup artist, and I started taking clients, and this is basically the makeup that I would use on them. Okay, so like this is the primer that I would use. I would go in with the Pond's first all over their skin, and then we are going to go in with my favorite. Like, I don't know what girl found out about this and brought it to TikTok and informed me, but I love it, and ever since it became a big thing, I have never let it go, and that is the e.l.f. putty primer. This thing is literally godsend. Like, power grip primer, it's godsend. And you know, you can literally like feel the difference. I'm sorry guys, I completely forgot my phone on the floor. You can literally feel the difference in your makeup and just like your skin after you put it on, because it literally sticks to your skin. Like, it is a putty primer. You do not want to use a lot of foundation if you are doing a simple look, and I don't agree with people using concealer all over their face and saying it's a soft glam, babe. That's not a soft glam. Not a soft glam. Okay, you wanna keep your beauty, but just like emphasize it. You see what I'm saying? So you don't really want to put a lot of makeup on. So that's what we're doing. We're just gonna put some foundation on, and this is going to be, okay guys, I usually use my Born This Way foundation. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but this is the Born This Way in the shade Maple. When I'm like, you know, going out, big occasions, that's the foundation I use. But any other time, simple glam looks, I am using my Fit Me. Okay, Fit Me is the key. Like, people love to sleep on Fit Me because it's cheap and it's old, but what's that saying, like, where it's like, you know, old stuff is what help. Like, I don't know the saying, but you know, stick to what you know. Like, don't be trying to switch up and stuff because all these brands be coming out with new things, because that's how you get sucked into spending so much money on makeup and you're not even like you know, you're getting the same results. Like, literally, I literally can tell you guys, like, I've been doing my makeup for so long, I don't see a difference between using the what's that called? I don't see a difference between using the Born This Way foundation and the Fit Me foundation. That's on. So now that I have applied all of the foundation onto my skin, we are going to go on with my eyebrows. And I really don't do my eyebrows because, remember guys, this is a soft look, okay? So you don't want to do too much, and you don't want to look too, like, not, I wouldn't say clean, but you still want to look like, you know. So I don't usually use a eyebrow pencil. I usually use my black waterline pencil for my eyebrows just to shape it out a little bit, okay? So I'm literally gonna show you guys, like, I shape it out like barely. Are you guys seeing this? Like, that's all I do. It's just a little thing at the ends. Like, I don't even brush them up because I like my eyebrows really, really bushy. Now we are going to go in with the same foundation that I used, and I'm going to take one of my lighter concealers in the shade Medium Warm from e.l.f. This is obviously the Hydrating Camo Concealer that literally every girl in the world uses. And we're going to mix that in with my foundation just a little bit. And I'm going to take this really flat brush. Like, I hope you guys can see how flat this brush is. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we're gonna use this really flat brush to carve out my eyebrows, okay? And all I do is carve out the bottom of my eyebrows. I do not carve out the top, I only carve out the bottom, okay? So you're gonna see me just like that. And that's all I'm going to do for my eyebrows. That's it. Nothing else, okay? You want it to stay soft. You don't want it to be... Sorry, I forgot what I was saying. You don't want it to be like rough, you know? You want it to look good. And my eyebrows do need a little bit of help right now, but that's okay, you know? Like, who really cares about how your eyebrows look? I lied. I care about how my eyebrows look. But you guys can see, like, you guys literally, it's so simple, guys. I'm gonna try and switch up the, no. It's so simple, okay? You just wanna keep it soft, clean, elegance. Like, not elegance, I mean, but you just wanna keep it soft. And then I'm going to go with my Real Technique brush in the number 300. I use this brush to blend my eyebrows out, and I use it for my under eyes, okay? And you want to do a soft pat. Soft pat. Stop beating your face, literally. Stop it. Stop it. I'm talking to you. Stop beating your face. You want to pat it softly so it can smoothen out. Like, take your time. Super quick. So now I'm going to take my Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Chestnut, and I'm going to basically use this as a soft contour. So you always want to contour. Okay, you see the way my cheekbones are? That's where you want to contour, where your cheekbones are, because the whole point of contouring is to snatch your face up, okay? So if you're putting your concealer down here, it's not gonna work. If you're putting it up here, it's not gonna work. You need to smile so you can see that formation and put that there, okay? You guys, are you picking up what I'm putting down? Are you guys picking up what I'm putting down? I hope you are, okay? You see how I did that? You see where that's at? And you can't even really see it because it's not too far off from my skin complexion. But I do that for a reason, okay? Everything is for a reason. And then I'm going to take the medium warm and I'm literally going to do a dab, like right here and right there, okay? That's all you're doing. You know why that's all you're doing? Because this is a soft glam. Soft, okay? So now that you have your contour, I don't do anything else. This is it. This is it. Concealer, this is it, okay? You're going to take that Real Technique brush. This is the 300 as well. I have two of them, yeah. Oh, wow, I have two 300s, period. Okay, so I'm going to take the 300, and when you're doing your under eye, I'm going to zoom in for you guys, that you won't have any creases under your eye. Because when you're looking down, you see all the creases I have. That's going to stay there, okay? So you need to look up and blend it all the way up. Like, I can't even see what I'm doing right now because I'm looking so up. You see what I'm saying? You see how that's all the way up there? You get what I'm saying, right? You gotta really... And you want to make sure you're pressing it into the sides of your nose. I'm going to blend in that contour that I put. Like, you guys literally can't even see it. That's how little, because we're not using a lot of makeup, okay? This is just the base. So you just want to pat that up, okay? You see where I'm patting that? And we are going to put them directly over that cream contour. So we're basically setting the contour with bronzer, okay? So you're just gonna, that's literally what I do. And bronze. Literally just bronze, bro. Okay, and after that, you are going to take some blush and blend that out. And usually I'll just go back in with a little bit of concealer under my eyes just to like even out that bronzer that I just put on. Just so that it does not look too heavy, okay? And for the blush, we're going to be using my Morphe palette. This is the Morphe palette 8T, and we're just going to be using the blush. It's kind of broken, so we're going to use this one. Okay? And if you guys really want to spice up your makeup look, add black eyeliner, okay? Black eyeliner to your waterline is heaven sent. I'm gonna add it and show you guys the difference. I'm tearing up. I could like still record, but let's just hope it doesn't fall again. But we're going to go in with a regular brown lip liner. You already know. We're gonna do the lip combo. I went out and I cannot find any of my lip glosses, like any of my NYX butter glosses. They're all gone, so I definitely am about to go get some more because I'm gonna go out right now. So we're going to do with what we got. We gotta make do with what we got, okay? So regular brown lip liner, and I don't know about y'all, but I love a good overline lip, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to overline our lips. Okay, So now that our lips are overlined, I have two glosses we're going to try. One is the Fenty in the shade Cupcakin, the Fenty Cream, and the other one is from my actual brand. I never launched it, so it's just a sample, and we're gonna try that one. Okay. Maybe I should come back on my makeup line. I'm telling you guys, if we had just a little bit of like a, what's it called? A fortune cookie, like it would have ate. It would have ate down. But we're gonna add some of the cream to see if we can brighten this up. And then you just want to go back in with your liner, of course. And that is it. That is all. That is it. I'm going to show you guys my makeup from different angles. I kind of wanted to add more blush. But that is all, okay? That is all. Like, I would never let my sisters be in need, okay? I would never let y'all be out here barefaced. Even though there's nothing wrong with being barefaced. Don't get me wrong. There's nothing wrong with being barefaced. I just feel like makeup just adds a little bit of oomph. And I don't know what's going on with this. Like, it's like she messed up my wig. Like, what? I don't know, guys. I don't know what's going on. But this is the final makeup, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And you know what, actually I'm going to take you guys to a different location. Guys, so this is the finished look. This is how my makeup looks. I'm gonna do it nice and soft, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because I'm young and turned, and if you subscribe you can be young and turned too. Kisses to all my bad bitches in the building. I love you guys, and follow me on Instagram. And there's gonna be so much more content to come. like, I'm really serious about this, and I really feel like I can do it. So period. Yeah, I ate that.